In today's video, I'm going to teach you quick guide, password protect your Shopify store. If you're still building your site and want to keep it under wraps until launch day, this quick walkthrough will show you how to hide your storefront from the public while still letting selected people take a look. From your Shopify dashboard, head to Online Store and open Preferences. Think of this page as your website's front door. It controls who can walk in and what they see before you're ready to welcome everyone. Everything you need for password protection lives right here, so you won't have to hunt through multiple menus. Inside Preferences, look for the section called Password Protection. If you're on a free trial, you'll notice the Restrict Access box is already checked. That means your storefront isn't visible to the public. Your admin and editor views still work as normal, so you can keep designing, adding products, and testing without interruption. Only people who have your store's password can view the storefront while you build. Next, update the password to something you can remember and share with the right people. This is the code you'll pass along to friends, collaborators, or partners who need to review your progress. Keep it memorable but not obvious, and plan to change it again before launch to maintain control over who can see your site during the final stages. Right below that, you'll see a message to your visitors field. This message appears on the password page and sets the tone for anyone who lands there. Use it to share a friendly coming soon note or hint at your grand opening date. You can also include a brief line about what your brand offers to build anticipation. Keep it short, clear, and upbeat so visitors know they're in the right place and that something exciting is on the way. When everything looks good, select Save in the top right corner. Saving locks in your settings and activates the message and password you just set. From this point on, your store functions like a private workspace. You can continue building confidently, knowing the public can't browse your products or checkout pages until you decide it's time. That's it. You went to Online Store, opened Preferences, confirmed password protection, set a memorable password, added a helpful message, and saved your changes. With your storefront safely behind a password, you're free to polish every detail and share previews only with the people you choose. When you're ready to launch, just return to the same spot, update your settings, and open the doors to the world.